This is UK TV. We are currently interrupting our main programming to bring you an important announcement. It has been declared Meteorological Office has issued a weather warning across the entirety of our great nation. We can't stand this tradition. All our courses are on good times, and remembering good lucks. It has declared this weekend. Gaston Mobile employees said that the submission to both BBC and ITV are now been in control. We're sorry for all this, but normal programming will now be in change for this time being. We do not advise this tragedy incident. All bank services including Lloyds TSB and Barclays will now be closed until further notice due to the invasion of a thunderstorm into its new name. A storm name was named yesterday by the Meteorological Office, and it says that there's a storm name titled Storm Isha. We must all avoid going outside in the rain and wind in all areas of the country. We must all be safe for this tragedy. The symptoms may include vomiting, nausea, and diarrhea and lead to discomfort. We have to end this message now before we enter the news. So, here's the news.